Welcome back to Southern RV TV. I'm your host Barry, and today we're going to look at a cool little product that we have in our store. It's a folding step stool. These are super handy for the RV. What's nice about them is that they're very compact. We'll pull this one out of the closet here. You can see it doesn't take up much space at all. It's a pretty small little thing. I'm going to set this mic down real quick. You just simply pull. And as you can see, it sort of snaps into place there. We can set that down. This works great as a chair, a little stool to sit on, but more importantly, lots of RVs have high cabinets, overhead cabinetry, and a lot of folks can't see what's in them. So having a little step stool like this is great for accessing those high storage spots and really making use of them throughout the season. Let's go ahead and close that back down. There it is, the folding step stool. Swing by our location, 324 Industrial Blvd in McDonough, Georgia, right off I-75, and you can get yours.